Fixed extraction comes in many different formats. We visited Southwest College in Cookstown to see their Welding fixed extraction system in action. This typical extraction system shows fixed extraction with fume control for up to 12 welders. The extraction arm must be long enough to move freely around the bench. They're available in varying lengths. Always follow the supplier's recommendations regarding setting the hood. With no extraction, the welding fumes are free to flow around the welder's helmet, exposing the worker and others to harmful fumes. With the extraction in operation, the fume is extracted via the ductwork to the filter. For maximum benefit, the local exhaust ventilation or LEV hood should be set as specified in the commissioning report. The filter in the fan unit removes the dust, preventing it from going into the atmosphere. Each welder has their own welding booth. The welding gas is piped from outside, further reducing the risk from the manual handling of gas bottles. Each booth is also fitted with a welding curtain or screen to protect anyone nearby from welding arc light. To protect the welder against splatter, appropriate clothing must be worn to protect the body. Eye protection, including filters for operatives to prevent arc eye, should conform to the relevant British and European standards. There are standards relating to impact resistance, auto darkening and fixed filters. Reputable welding equipment suppliers will be able to help you make the correct choice. Various guidance exists for choosing the correct type of LEV system: HSG 258, INDG 408. Employers should work with designers, suppliers, installers and employees to effectively control exposure to airborne contaminants. Specific guidance for welding fume extraction is available in document WL3. A commissioning report should also be provided for any newly installed LEV or extraction systems. HSG 258 also contains guidance on what information should be contained in a commissioning report. As part of the college safe system of work for controlling welding fume, all welders are required to wear an air-fed mask to capture any residual fume not already captured by the fixed LEV system. The air-fed mask must be properly maintained and pre-use checked at the start of every shift. As part of a maintenance programme, the filter in the air-fed mask needs to be replaced regularly in accordance with the manufacturer's operating instructions. RPE must have an assigned protection factor of at least 20. Disposable RPE masks and half masks can be used for up to 1 hour. Use battery-powered air-fed protection equipment for longer duration work. Ensure RPE wearers are clean-shaven and provide face-fit testing for them, and have a face-fit test report available. Guidance can be found in HSE document INDG 479. All approved masks are CE marked. The CE marking will be followed by a 4-digit code that identifies the body responsible for checking manufacturing quality. Fixed extraction comes in many different formats. Take time to select the system that will ensure your workers are properly protected. We're grateful to the staff and students of Southwest College for their help in making this video.